Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar basically comes to you in 4 different flavors: mango, orange, vanilla, and chocolate. This particular packaging is actually called as assorted packaging. We call them as assorted packaging, wherein you will have 4 different flavors. Each flavor will be 7 in numbers. Totally, it is 28 bars. This packaging is called as assorted packaging. Going ahead, friends, there are 5 important pointers that everybody needs to know so far as Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar is concerned. First thing is low calorie. We are positioning this bar as a partial meal replacement bar, which means that you need to skip one meal in a day and you should consume this Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar. It has low calorie, it has synergistic actives, which I will be telling you. It is a very good weight management support. Weight management normally has 3 meanings. The first meaning is either to increase the weight, second meaning is to maintain the weight, third meaning is to reduce the weight. This is called as weight management. The fourth point is this is a fiber rich bar, which means that most of the bars which are available in the market, they are protein based bars. But our product is not a protein based, rich protein based bar. No, our product is actually called as a fiber rich bar. It has a lot of natural fibers. And finally, it is 100% natural. It does not have any artificial, synthetic chemicals, preservatives, nothing. It is a 100% natural bar, my dear friends. So going ahead, similar to diabetes, overweight and obesity is also called as a metabolic disorder. We call this as a metabolic disorder. It is not a disease. It is called as a metabolic disorder, which means it is a combination of various diseases. One thing I want to tell you, everybody, people who look fat, okay, people who have a very fat image, we should not call them as overweight or obese. Okay, they are definitely overweight, but obesity symptoms are seen even in a thin person also. Even in a lean person, obesity symptoms are usually seen. I hope the point is clear to you all. Even in a lean person, the obesity symptoms are usually, sometimes it is seen. So that is the reason why just by seeing the stature of a person, we should not call them as obese. Even though they are clinically obese, but symptom wise, it can happen in a lean person also. You can see the screen now, like diabetes, heart diseases, decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer, osteoarthritis, asthma problems, high blood cholesterol, renal failure, sleep apnea, psychological or emotional effects, gout, low back pain, pregnancy related effects, liver diseases, stroke. All these things are actually the reasons for overweight and obesity. They are the root causes for overweight and obesity. So whenever you are promoting Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar, you should not concentrate on only the weight, but you should tell the people that this weight management bar, whatever Ice Slim is there right now, is actually putting an end to all the reasons for overweight and obesity, which means that the root causes of overweight and obesity will be removed with the help of Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar. This is what is exactly called as the root causes of the disease, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, what is the composition of Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar? There are 3 important ingredients which are actually present in Ice Slim Flat Tummies Bar. We call them as the synergistic botanical ingredients. The first ingredient is called as the Salacia reticulata. Salacia reticulata, we call the Salacia reticulata as Ekanayakam. It is a very good anti-diabetic ingredient. The second is called as Coleus forscoli, which is known for weight reduction. The third is sesame seeds, the black sesame seeds that we use. It is known for reducing the cholesterol levels. When you see this formulation, you can see it is an anti-diabetic. It reduces the weight. At the same point of time, it reduces cholesterol levels also. So going ahead, it also contains a lot of natural fibers, like the oats fibers and the ragi fibers. Oats, everybody knows this. Ragi fibers mainly includes the fibers of the millets. We call this as a finger millets. These fibers are usually used in the southern parts of India, especially in the states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, where people are consuming the cereals on a regular basis. So this is called as ragi or the finger millets, what we call. It also has a lot of protein concentrates, but in very minimal amounts, but still the proteins are there. It contains soy protein, it also contains the whey protein concentrates. Soy protein, everybody knows that it comes from the soya bean, whereas whey protein comes from the milk. So these proteins are required for the weight management process, but our bar is not a protein rich bar, it is a fiber rich bar. So going ahead, friends, it also has herbal extracts. It has the goodness of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, everybody knows, it is also called as Indian ginseng. It is also having this velvet bean or kapikachu, which is a very important ingredient for reducing the weight as well as the stress also, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar formulation. So going ahead, even if a person is suffering from diabetes with overweight and obesity, you can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies Bar because the bar does not contain sugar. So it can also be given in high and low blood pressure conditions because it does not cause any problems. Even during the pregnancy, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, you can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. After the childbirth, the first month it should not be given. From second month onwards, this can be given safely. So regarding the thyroid issues, very important. Most of the women are suffering from hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the weight gain happens. Whereas there is a different kind of thyroid called as hyperthyroidism where the weight loss happens. So in case of hypothyroidism, where 98% of women who are suffering from in India, the weight gain is actually the process of the side effect of the thyroid or the hypothyroidism which happens. Even in such conditions, it is very important for you to promote this product because as a natural weight loss aid, this can be promoted there. Even in case of heart related issues, because in heart problems, normally the cholesterol is the one which causes the blocks in the heart. Even in such conditions, you can give this iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, which will prevent the further blocks in the heart. So far as the skin issues are concerned, well, especially for the loose skin conditions, after the childbirth or after the exercise or anything, the stretch marks are seen on the skin, because of which the skin actually becomes lax or loose. So even in such conditions, you can definitely use the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar without any problems. For best results, I would always suggest you to use one iSlim Flat Tummies Bar between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. by having an optional light dinner at 6 p.m., my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody. This is how you should burn the fat in the healthy way. By using the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, you are actually getting rid of the bad fat and the good fat will be retained inside the human body. It is always good fat in and bad fat out. This is what is exactly the terminology that we give for iSlim Flat Tummies.